What's up guys, Adam Middlesworth here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over two amazing first-time homebuyer Facebook ad campaigns that you can run in this new year. So these are campaigns that we literally run on a daily basis for our loan officers. We also run this for real estate agents as well. This is a really good campaign, a few campaigns that work really well on the front end to a cold audience who've never heard of us, right? So that's going to be a little bit more expensive than running it to, say, a warm audience, to folks who are in our database, or to people who have heard of us, or to people who have clicked on an ad of ours, and retargeting them with this campaign. So you can kind of use this in each step of the funnel, and I would recommend doing that. So I'm going to show you just two or three campaigns that I set up literally this week, and they're off and running, leads under $5 and crushing it. So I'll go and show you these here that I set up literally this week. So this is a campaign that we started running, I think, on Monday. $2.70 leads. We've got 9 leads already, only spent 25 bucks. I set that up again this Monday, so 4 days ago. Then I set this one up a while ago as well, and we've got 22 leads, and these are even a little bit more expensive. It's in a market that is pretty saturated with marketing and even just LOs and agents, and he's right around $5 per lead, which is pretty decent, right? And then we've got more that go into different avenues, right? This one's been running for a really long time. This one is getting $3 leads. We've got over 300 leads here. This one is a lending campaign as well. We've gotten 80. This goes straight into Messenger. So 80 leads here, or conversations for $3.50. So this is like, we're actually running these, right? It's practical, and this is something that you guys can do and implement today and start getting leads from. So here is the Facebook ad templates. Facebook ad templates that you can use. If you click on the link below, go to that link. I'll give you this basically 7 Facebook ads that you can use for your loan officer business, and if you're in real estate, that works too, right? So you can see the engagement on these campaigns, right? 132 comments, 151 shares, 285 likes or reactions. Same thing over here, right? So a ton of action on these ads that you can get for your business. So for first-time home buyers, probably seen this one. I'll link this in the description below, exactly how to go and set up this campaign. I believe it is watch me set up a mortgage campaign that actually works. This is one that we use for a lot of our clients who are in first-time home buying space. They want to reach people who are renting, right? So this is an option, right? So stop wasting money on rent. Government programs can help you get a home, blah, blah, blah. You can see that here. You can see the actual campaign. We do use emojis for all of these things. You can choose to use that or not. HubSpot did a study on this using emojis versus not using emojis, and emojis always won that split test, right? So emojis versus non-emoji ads, the emoji ads won. So the second campaign that we run is basically 3% down conventional, or you can even do 3.5% FHA. You can kind of mold this into what you want, right? So the headline would be, hey, would you buy a home if you only needed X percent, right? 3%, 3.5%, whatever your percentage is, whatever your loan program is. And then you can include some features of your loan program. So for this one of my clients had reduced interest rates, reduced mortgage insurance rates, and so that literally is putting money back in your pocket, right? So that is the campaign that we ran, and you can see what that looks like here. So we were just saying, hey, would you buy a home if you only needed 3% down, right? So you can especially see this on follow-up, so like retargeting strategies, how this could really apply, right? So if we're sending them to, either a listing or a homes list or an open house or whatever that is, we're selling them the dream on the front end to a cold audience, and the dream is the home, right? And then on the back end, we're giving them what they need, which is a loan, right? Because most people, they probably can't afford a 20% down payment. So they see that home, they're like, oh man, I would love to move, love to buy a home, but I just can't afford it, right? So this is kind of dispelling that myth of you have to put 20% down for a home, right? Which, as you know, you don't necessarily have to do that. And we can help them get into the home of their dreams with a loan program that makes sense for them, as long as it makes sense for them, right? We want to help them as best we can. We can't make outlandish claims on our ads, right? So just make sure that you're not doing that within your ads. Stay within your compliance. Always check with your compliance officers what is working and making sure that we're within those guidelines, right? So those are two campaigns that are working like gangbusters for loan officers and even real estate agents as well. I will say what makes ads work is follow-up, right? So ads don't necessarily bring you business. Conversations bring you business. So make sure that you've got your follow-up strategies in place. You've got text messaging, email, phone calls. Facebook Messenger is probably working the best right now out of any platform. So make sure that you have all of that hooked up. If you guys want this free guide, this is a free guide that I'll give you if you click on the link below. You can swipe all of our Facebook ads, ad templates. You can literally copy and paste these and add them to Facebook ads, right? So if you guys want that, click on the link below. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you want more content like this, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.